Mash.
Listen, I said every day when I wake, then I get my knees and pray. Then I go in my pockets and I count some Ziki weights. That's 500. 500 plus 500 times 500. Oh Lord, that's half a meal. Funny thing, I spend that on like half a meal. You can say I got expensive baggage. If you put the gun, I must go in the Gucci bag. Oh Lord, that's what you call expensive baggage. When I'm doing this freestyle thing, so straight off the dome, so I can buy my mama a nice ass home, and I could be sitting on Chevys on some nice ass chrome. You know I do. You haters better leave me alone. Sure you know I have a boy, no be rose. Bad boy, I turn water into more weight. If she ain't got no nyash, we tell her go away. It's not dirty money, but you know we throw away. Hey, wait, hold on. Cut the beat. Let me talk to him real quick. Check this, listen. Hey. They see me, they think saying I can keep boys, so they think saying what's up. Me, I they find money, I'm trying to buy a Range Rover the same color shower shop. That's green on the outside, white on the inside. I just met the girl outside, now I'm in the inside. How about chai, yekba. Me, my eyes, they red past the Undertaker. And I'ma keep grinding till I reach my maker. I think I fell in love with music when I heard Anita Baker. Funny thing, I never shop right at ShopRite. If you never shine your eye, I hope your Nokia got a touch light. My skies used to be all gray, now it's all rainbow. I went from pushing the keke to pushing the benzo. Cause my guy, listen, no time for darling, only time for balling. Credit day, but no time for calling. Love day, but no time for falling. Then credit day, but what did I say? Toilet day, but no time for stalling. You know me, come through, swagoo sauce dripping. Fresh kicks, usually J's, Adidas, Jordan. Basically, better kung fu. And it's A.O, A.K.A Mr. Got more bars than law school. Shorty heard my nigga CD, then she heard a nigga CV, then she read a nigga CV, then she in my room kissing on my neck, talking about, do you have a CD? I'm like, oh, easy. She's like, damn, Ayo, where can I hear some more of your music? I'm like, free me. She's like, Ayo, why you so rude? I'm like, no, free me. That's freeme.com. The office is in Lekki Phase 1. I don't do high life, but since we rapping, we might as well blaze one. Rah! Ayo, you already know, A.K.A Mr. Got more bars than law school, A.K.A your girl's favorite African, A.K.A Machine. If you really want to hear me freestyle for real on a beat, check this out. Click on the link attached to this video. Check it out. Best of both world freestyle. Shout outs to the people at FreeMe. Shout outs to our John West State in the building. The best of both world, your boy Ayo. On Twitter, you can catch me on Ayo Africa. And on Instagram, you can catch me at AO World. Ladies, what up? Let's go.
Swah, see ya me non emotion jabba, menti basod of coin mako jaya to lab. Feel this African must flow. And I go pack my money with the Ghana. I try to hustle to the top, but on ya can't GC. My first stop, but we can't see. This